Welcome to Allegedly Tarot. Hi everyone, just a few questions today. I saw the video of Harry and Meghan. Unfortunately, I saw it, and they're standing there with the puppies, and they have a message for some organization, Digital Violence Against Children, and I just want to know if this is to overshadow Prince William in with the Earthshot Prize. So let's get into it. So number one, we, as you know, on this channel, we don't think that Harry and Meghan are together. So let's just see. Are Harry and Meghan together right now? That's going to no, straight to no. Thank you. And was this video pre-recorded? Was that video for with them and their puppies? Give you a kickstart. Was that pre-recorded, please? Like, not recorded yesterday, but like, I mean, yes, okay. Hey, I have an idea. Let's ask, when was it recorded? Because this has like January, February, March, all the. Okay, when was this recorded, please? They're in their puppies. Like I say, it irks me because Meghan is not even British. It's quite a British thing, and she has no compassion. My opinion. When was this recorded, please? Because they are not together. I'm down to June now. July? No. When was this recorded? Because Harry and Meghan are not together. That's what you told me. August. September. Oh, it's changing. Okay. So that was recorded in September. Okay, thank you. So, I was just wondering, I mean, it might not be, but I was wondering if the video was even AI. Is this video AI? Was the video AI, please, of Harry and Meghan? You know what? That is going to yes. So, was this purposely chosen when William is at the Earthshot Prize? Was it purposely chosen? Goodness, to overshadow him? Yes. Yeah. Okay. I want to ask this too because my rune card said the other day, is Meghan ill? Is Meghan ill? Wow. I'll say this: is she unwell? Is Meghan unwell for entertainment only and allegedly? Okay, that's saying yes. Okay, thank you. I want to ask another question. Where is Meghan? Where is Meghan right now, please? The rune card said that she's not traveling and that she was unwell and not strong. And what else? Where is she? Is she in America? Is she in America, please? Going to yes. Is she in Montecito? Is she in Montecito right now? Is Meghan in Montecito? That's going to no. Well, she's in America. And is Harry afraid of this, of Trump? Is Harry afraid of Trump, please? Is Harry afraid of President Trump? Well, he's president now, president elect. Yes, he is. Wow. Is Meghan afraid of President Trump? Is Meghan afraid of President Trump? And that's going to yes, too. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you this morning. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like the content, please press that like button and the subscribe and notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.